This is incredibly inaccurate. The data clearly shows that it doesn't matter if we focus more on the concentric or more on the eccentric because both of them stimulate around the same degree of hypertrophy. In fact, the data actually tends to favor the eccentric portion of the rep, but again, it's
Mr. Optimal over here is saying eccentrics and concentrics produce the same amount of hypertrophy, and he has a study to back it up, right? And if you read here in the abstract of the study, eccentrics and concentrics produce around the same amount of hypertrophy. Case closed, right? The case is actually not closed because you can't just read the results from the abstract. You have to actually open the study and find out how they conducted it. So if you look at this study here and see how they conducted the eccentric training, they used more weight than you can perform for a 1 rep max. More than your 1 rep max they used. So obviously we don't lift with more than our 1 rep max, so this is not an accurate representation of what happens during an eccentric. It's obvious that this creator doesn't really know much about muscle physiology, because if you know how muscle activation works on the eccentric and you know how mechanical tension works, you don't really need a study for this. So if you're looking for a science-based coach out here, be very careful. There's a lot of people who just wave a study in front of your face and they have no clue what it means.